What is Scrum? Scrum is an agile framework used for managing complex projects, primarily software development, but it can also be applied to other fields. Scrum provides a structured yet flexible approach to project management, promoting iterative progress, collaboration, and continuous improvement. It helps teams deliver high quality products by breaking work into manageable increments and regularly accessing progress and priorities. Let's talk about key components of scrums. The first thing, we're going to talk about rules. We basically have three main rules, which is product owner, which is responsible for maximizing the value of the product and managing the product backlog. They prioritize tasks based on business value and stakeholder input. Number two, Scrum Master facilitates the Scrum process, helps the team adhere to Scrum practices, and removes impediment. They act as a coach for the team, ensuring continuous improvement. Number three, development, a cross functional group of professionals responsible for delivering potentially shippable product increment at the end of each sprint. The team is self organizing and decides how to accomplish the work. Number two, we want to talk about the artifacts. In the artifacts, we have three things as well: a product backlog. So it's an order list of everything that is known to be needed in the product. It is dynamic and evolves as new requirements emerge. We have sprint backlog, a subset of product backlog that the team commits to completing during a sprint. It includes tasks and requirements for the current sprint. Number three, increment, the sum of all product backlog items completed during a sprint and previous sprints. Each increment must be a usable product that meets the definition of done. Number three, I want to talk about the events. One, we have sprint. So it's a time box period, usually 1 to 4 weeks, during which the team works to complete a set amount of work. Each sprint starts with a planning meeting and ends with a review and retrospective. Number two, we have sprint planning. So a meeting at the start of each sprint where the team discuss what can be delivered in the upcoming sprints and how they will achieve it. Number three, we have daily stand ups. So, a short daily meeting where team members discuss progress plans for the day and any implements they face. Number four, sprint review. So, a meeting at the end of the sprint where the team demonstrates the completed work to stakeholders and discuss what was accomplished. Number five, sprint retrospective, a meeting following the sprint review where the team reflects on the sprint, discusses what went well, what didn't, and how they can improve in the next sprint. We have the Scrum progress. We're going to talk about that. We have product backlog refinement. So the product owner continuously updates the and prioritize the product backlog based on stakeholder feedback and changing requirements. We have sprint planning. The team selects items from the product backlog to work on during the sprint and creates a sprint backlog. They define the sprint goal and plan the tasks needed to achieve it. Number three, sprint execution. So the development team works on tasks in the sprint backlog, aiming to complete them by the end of the sprint. Daily stand up help keep the team aligned and address issues promptly. For sprint review, at the end of the sprint, the team present the completed work to stakeholders for feedback. The product owner may update the product backlog based on this feedback. Number five, sprint retrospective. The team reflects on the sprint to identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. They implement the changes to improve future sprints. The benefits of Scrum, the first thing it will be flexibility and adaptability. So Scrum allows teams to respond quickly to changing requirements and market conditions. Number two, continuous improvements. So regularly retrospectives enable teams to continually improve their processes and performance. Number three, enhance collaboration. Scrum fosters close collaboration among team members and stakeholders, ensuring alignment and effective communication. Number four, increased transparency. Frequent reviews and daily stand up provide clear visibility into progress and challenges. Five, increment delivery. The iterative approach ensures that the valuable features are delivered incrementally, reducing risks and allowing for early feedback. So, in conclusion, Scrum is effective framework for managing complex projects by promoting iterative development, collaboration, and continuous improvement. It helps teams deliver a high quality product that meet customer needs while remaining flexible and adaptable to changes. By following Scrum practices, teams can improve their efficiency, transparency, and adaptability to respond to feedback and evolving requirements. So, that's it for this video and see you in the future.